he bought us an aircraft which landed within 6 months of the declaration without any recourse in church. Declared on a Saturday and never mentioned again. By September 17, the plane arrived.
Hallelujah.
18, we dedicated it. Awesome God. His resources are more real than your bank account. They are more real. Did you call anybody? Never, never, never. Never, never. Never, never. Did you call up your sons and daughters in ministries? Never. Did you call number of blessed people in this church? Because too many blessed people. We are all blessed, just in different grades. My God. Did you call any? Never. Never. Did you ask for overdraft in any bank? Never. Any bank who tells you that is lying to you. His resources are too real to be doubted. Please wake up.